Most people try to enter AI the wrong way. They start with coding, tools, or random courses. Then they get stuck. Here's the truth. Companies don't need everyone to build AI. They need people who understand how to apply it. In this video, you will learn what CertNexus CAIP covers, what skills you gain, what jobs you can get. AI is already part of business decisions: marketing, finance, operations, customer support. But companies face one problem. They don't have enough people who can connect AI with real business problems. That's where CAIP fits. AI lifecycle. CAIP focuses on how AI works in practice, not theory. You learn the full AI lifecycle: problem definition, data collection, data preparation, model selection, training and testing, deployment. Example: a retail company wants to predict sales. You define the problem. You collect past sales data, you clean it, you train a model. You use it to forecast demand. This is what companies expect from an AI practitioner. Data and model basics. You don't need deep coding, but you must understand: what is structured versus unstructured data? What is supervised versus unsupervised learning? What makes a model accurate? Example: predicting house price, supervised learning; customer segmentation, unsupervised learning. You learn how to choose the right approach. Practical use cases, business and technical scenarios. CAIP is strong on use cases. You learn how AI is applied in real industries: healthcare, disease prediction; finance, fraud detection; retail, recommendation systems; HR, resume screening. Example: fraud detection system. Input, transaction data. Output, fraud or not fraud. Your role is not coding the system. Your role is understanding the problem and guiding the solution. Problem framing. This is the most important skill. Most beginners fail here. They jump to tools before defining the problem. CAIP trains you to convert business problems into AI problems, identify input and output, define success metrics. Example: bad framing, build an AI model. Good framing, predict customer churn using past behavior data. This clarity makes AI useful. Now let's talk about career scope AI practitioner roles. After CAIP, you can target roles like AI practitioner, business analyst with AI skills, data analyst, product analyst. These roles focus on application, not development. Typical responsibilities includes identify AI opportunities, work with data teams, interpret model outputs, support decision-making. Entry-level jobs. CAIP is ideal if you are beginner in AI, from non-technical background, switching careers. Entry-level roles include junior AI analyst, data associate, AI project coordinator. You don't compete with ML engineers. You work alongside them. If you are preparing for CAIP, structured learning matters. uCertify helps you with artificial intelligence basics, practice questions, real-world scenarios, exam-focused preparation. This reduces confusion and speeds up learning. If you want to move into AI without deep coding, CAIP is one of the best starting points. Watch the full AI certification roadmap on this channel. Link in description. It will help you choose the right path based on your goal. For more insights on AI careers and business transformation, like this video and subscribe to the channel.